Clock reaction part 2. Safety points to consider before doing the experiment. Eye protection must be worn at all times. Potassium iodate is a strong oxidizing agent. Avoid contact with skin. Sodium metabisulfate is harmful if swallowed and can cause serious eye damage. Avoid contact with skin and eyes. When mixed with acid, toxic sulfur dioxide gas is released, which can irritate the respiratory system and exacerbate pre-existing breathing problems. For example, asthma. Some people are hypersensitive to sulfites and should avoid doing this experiment. Do not mix solid potassium iodate with solid sodium metabisulfite. Method to follow. Dissolve 2.3 grams of potassium iodate KiO3 in 450 centimeters cube of distilled water and label this beaker solution A. Use a permanent marker pen. Continuous stirring with a glass rod will help the solid to dissolve. Dissolve 2.7 grams of sodium metabisulfite Na2S2O5 in 450 centimeters cube of distilled water. Now add 20 centimeters cube of 1% starch solution and label this beaker solution B. Stir the mixture using a different stirring rod to the one that we used to stir solution A. Label the two measuring cylinders A and B. It is very important not to get the solutions A and B muddled up. If either of them gets contaminated, then this experiment will not work. Pour 25 centimeters cube of solution B into measuring cylinder B. Using measuring cylinder A, pour 25 centimeters cube of solution A into the 250 centimeters cube conical flask. Start the stop clock as you pour the solution B into the conical flask and give the flask a good swirl. When there is color change, the mixture should suddenly go blue-black. Stop the clock, record the time. Dispose of the contents of the flask by pouring it into a waste bucket or a beaker provided. This contains sodium thiosulfate to stop the reaction mixture, which may cause problems when it is poured down the sink. Rinse the flask with distilled water